Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a talking review video for you guys, which I haven't done in a long time. And I'm using my webcam to film today because my camera is a bit broken. So I'm sorry if I keep looking at the screen because my webcam is kind of high up. But yeah, basically today I have a pretty different video to my normal vlogs and beauty videos. I actually recently received a laptop from AFTERSHOCK as well as to collab with Intel, and they just wanted me to try the laptop for 2-3 weeks and let you guys know my honest opinions and thoughts on the product. I'm not an expert at digi tech stuff or laptop reviews, so this is just purely based on my experience on using this laptop as a streamer, gamer, content creator, whatnot. So before I ramble for too much longer, let's get straight into the video. So the laptop I received is this beauty here, which is the AFTERSHOCK LUNAR 15 Max laptop, which uses a Intel 11th gen processor. So it's actually pretty decent for just your light casual gaming. For example, I play Valorant on this, and I'm sure TFT is fine. And League should be fine as well because Valorant seems to be a bit more graphics demanding than League. And then I've also used it to create thumbnails because it's actually a touchscreen laptop as well. I'll show you guys the inside in a bit, but it makes it really easy to do like little doodles, etc. on my thumbnails. And I actually did my thumbnail of this video on this laptop. So the laptop itself isn't too heavy, although because it is a 15-inch, it is a very massive laptop. It's definitely not like the lightest laptop that I've used before, but for the size of it and also, you know, the processor and the capability of this laptop, I think the weight is pretty justified. It actually also comes with a laptop bag, which I will show you guys and talk about it in a bit. But I'll show you guys the actual laptop now, which is the exciting part. The laptop itself, I think, is really aesthetic. It kind of like it vibes with me. The mouse pad is pretty big and just like a really nice silver gray inside with black keys, and the keys are not really thick and they're not really loud either, so it just feels really nice to type on. It doesn't have a numpad, but it does have obviously your normal function keys, etc. And I honestly don't even use the numpad, and my keyboard for my PC also does not come with a numpad. It's just everything's about, like, you know, compact and smaller sizes these days. But yeah, so I'll show you guys the laptop booted and some more details in probably a closer up video. One thing that I did notice though is that when I type, because of the way the keyboard is set up, the function key is not where I'm used to it being. So sometimes, like when I'm trying to control A, control C, control X, I kind of tap the function key instead. And I'll show you guys what I mean by that. You guys see how the function key is here, but the control is here. So I usually accidentally misclick the wrong keys. So that's just one thing that I wish. It's just basic personal preference, something that I'm not used to, but I don't think it will really get in the way of everyone else's like daily laptop using. I'm just gonna do a quick sound test for you guys while we're at it. I'm just gonna play a Keshi playlist and I'll go from the softest to the loudest. The reason why I'm not doing it with the camera directly like up close on the laptop is because I want you guys to hear what it sounds like kind of from like if I was sitting here and the laptop was here, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just play this song. So this is the sound at max right now, which is, I think, fairly decent for a laptop. I don't expect laptops to be really loud, and you don't really need it that loud, but here it goes. Actually, really, I think the sound quality is not bad. The speakers are actually here, located on the back side. Every night going down a hell, fake love in a ship. And I'll show you guys how it's a touchscreen, so you can just use it however you want. But as I mentioned, I like to use it flat and then kind of just like put it on my lap and then use it to doodle my thumbnails. Or if you take notes for uni, like OneNote notes, you can also just like do quick notes like that, which is very handy, I think. And the touchscreen itself, like, it doesn't feel very delayed. But yeah, I don't use the touchscreen that much. I do have a touchscreen laptop at work, well, I did, and I hardly use it for work stuff, but I think at home as a personal laptop, and for like creating YouTube thumbnails, it is quite handy actually. So now I'm going to quickly show you guys the laptop bag, and just my thoughts on it. Here is the laptop bag. It's provided by AFTERSHOCK. I just want to note one thing that I don't really like about the design of the laptop bag is that it actually opens, like it doesn't open from the top. You have to open it from all the way around, and then it opens up like this. The inside quality is really nice, but what I realized is you have to kind of like stick the laptop on your desk and then take the laptop out. Even though the handle is here, you know how like, usually you can get it sit and you can just take the laptop out? You can't really do that with this bag, so I just find that a bit inconvenient. But it has like a compartment at the back, a compartment at the front, which is fairly useful to carry the chargers or any portable keyboards or mouse. So yeah, not that much to talk about with respect to the laptop bag.
Deathmatch. Warm up. No more Viper. That's great.
Overall, I think the laptop is great for daily use, especially if you're just a casual gamer. I did find that there was a bit of frame drops when I tried to play Valorant on the highest settings, so it's definitely not going to be the best performance-wise in terms of games unless you get a proper gaming laptop, which AFTERSHOCK also has a lot. So yeah, make sure to check out their website below, and if you guys have any other questions about the laptop or about AFTERSHOCK products, also leave a comment and I will get back to you guys. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give the video a like, subscribe to my channel. I usually do more beauty vlogs related videos, as well as my gaming content from my streams, so definitely subscribe if you guys are interested in that kind of video. So don't forget to use the coupon code JANIE50 for $50 off either the OmniDesk collection or any pre-built laptops from AFTERSHOCK, as well as the LunarMax laptop itself. So I'll leave information and the links to the laptop and AFTERSHOCK's website below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my Twitch and also on my socials at Jane Liu. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye!